If you are in a situationship and you want that to be a relationship, this is what you need to know. I'm Dr. Sarah Hensley. I'm a specialized social psychologist, and I've been studying the science of attachment and attraction for nearly 20 years. And this is another edition of Carline Relationship Advice. First and foremost, they are giving you the level of intimacy that they are comfortable with. This could be because, one, they're just not that into you. If it's early enough in the time that you have known each other, this is a real possibility. But most likely, it's number two. You guessed it, they have some degree of attachment avoidance. So this could be fearful avoidance or dismissive avoidance, okay? More likely to be dismissive avoidance, but we're going to say that it's possible for both types of avoidant attachment. Individuals that have dismissive avoidance in particular really get triggered by commitment and expectation. Inside of relationships in the very beginning, they can come in sort of really strong and then back way up and make you feel extremely confused. And they will create a situationship if at all humanly possible. Like they'll come in maybe wanting the relationship and they'll back up and create the situationship. First of all, what not to do is to try to twist yourself into some kind of pretzel, believing that it's what they want you to be, and you think if you can be more of what they want you to be, they're just going to magically commit to you. No, that's not how this works. What you're going to do is show up as a secure person, and you are going to tell them that you would like an additional level of commitment, that you want exclusivity, that you are not the type of person that stays in a situationship situation. And I know what you're thinking. But what if that pushes them away? If asking for what you need in a relationship pushes someone away, they were never going to give it to you, ever. So you simply say, hey, I know we've known each other for a little while now. I've really enjoyed our time together, but I just need to let you know that I'm looking for something more exclusive. I am just not comfortable with the whole loosey-goosey situationship, non-label type of situation. I really am looking for some boundaries around this thing. And, how do you feel about that? And you're going to get one of two answers. You're going to get a yes, that is what I want too. Let's do this dang thing. Or you're going to get a, nah, blah, blah, blah. Why do we have to put a label around it? Why can't we just do what we're doing now? Blah, blah, blah. That's attachment avoidance. 100%. And you're better off letting them go. Because if you cannot be authentic, your nervous system is doomed inside of this unit. It is doomed. You will be a nervous freaking wreck the entire time trying to get someone to commit to you who is not going to commit to you. Sleeping with them is not going to get them to commit to you. Making them jealous is not going to get them to commit to you. And those are very insecure things to try, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to show up fearless and authentic like people who are secure do, and you're going to say what you need. And if they say they can't do it or they give you the hem-haw runaround, you're going to say, I'm sorry to hear that. I was really hoping that we could take this thing to the next level, but for my own peace of mind and my own, inner safety and needs, I am going to have to cut this thing off. And then you're going to go hard freaking core, no contact. No, you will not be friends with them. No, you will not check in with them. No, you are not going to stalk their social media. You are going to move the on. They've just proven that they're not worth your time. So stop throwing good time after bad time. All right? Start being secure. You need help with that? I am here. I teach people how to be secure and how to overcome their attachment anxiety that makes them want to stay in crappy situationships. So if that is you, please visit me at my website, thelovedoc.com.